This morning is the morning.
Yeah, guys, so today is baby day and this is the start of our labor and delivery video. I'm keeping my fingers crossed that it's quick, as painless as possible. And then yeah, but you guys will be on for the journey as well. I just want to say what, subscribe to our channel, smash a like, because for I'd say first and hopefully last labor delivery video on our channel. I think we deserve at least 100 likes, so you guys go ahead and smash that like button, and yeah, drop a comment, show us some love in the comment section, and subscribe to our channel if you're new. Alright, so forward guys, I'm gonna drop off Malika and go straight to the hospital. See you later, Malika. Malika, bye. Yeah, bye. See you later.
Our car seat. Oh, you're gonna need a car seat first.
Yeah, I need it?
Yeah.
Why?
So you're gonna get a car seat, you might go on the road.
Okay.
Yeah.
How are you feeling?
Honestly, I'm not feeling no way.
Feel alright?
Feel alright, just regular.
Just regular?
I'm not nervous, I'm not nothing. Excited, nothing. I'm like, okay. Just get this over with.
Kind of want to just get it over with, and looking forward to you being able to sleep on your stomach again, and looking forward to meet baby girl, and yeah, just hope everything go okay and smooth and painless as possible, as I said. And we know that the hospital for
the whole day
and
night
and the whole night and the whole weekend and the whole, you know, understand. And thank you guys so much for the love and support that you guys been showing us. You guys has made this journey interesting so far, and we just want to say we appreciate it. And now we are about to start another journey, and of course we have to bring on, because you guys are a part of our family, the Anderson massive. Yeah, the Andersons massive. Yeah, much love, much respect, and much appreciation to everybody who has seen it fit to bless us with gifts.
Thank you guys.
We can't say enough thank you. We can't say enough word. There's not enough words to show how gracious we are. But yeah, we appreciate it a whole lot. Yeah guys, it's so cold. Yeah. We're now heading into the hospital. So cold guys, it's so cold. Perfect day to give birth. Perfect day to give birth, please.
Like what?
Yeah. Guess so? guys, so this is the first room that we're into. This room is not the delivery room. This room is just kind of entry room where to check mommy's blood pressure, check baby's heartbeat, get a chart and everything, just to make sure that everything is okay so far. Well, doctors came in, did what they had to do. Now we are being moved over to the actual delivery suite.
I thought I lost it.
Why?
Which one you put up first? I don't know.
I'm not sure. How are you feeling?
Ready?
You feeling ready? Are you nervous?
No.
Are you happy?
No, I don't really have.
Are you anxious?
Right now. Honestly, I don't have no feelings right now.
Well, guess what, guys? I am super.
In the pregnancy, and she wants this baby. Well, Drew said by 4, so she's banking on that.
Okay, so we're going to go over some prenatal questions. Did you make it to all of your visits? Yes, I did. Perfect. When baby's born, we keep her on you for a full hour. Unless something goes wrong, she's going to do skin to skin with you in that hour. Are you going to breastfeed? Yeah. Okay, so in that first hour, then go ahead and give breastfeeding a try as well. And then at that hour mark, we take her over, and that's when we do like the weight and those medications. And then Dad can have a cuddle. So that'll kind of be the plan, unless obviously we need to bring her over there to do any kind of recess on her. Then she's going to be cuddling with you for the first hour.
Okay. Are you ready to cuddle? Yes, you are. You better be ready.
I'm ready. Nervous?
Are you ready to breastfeed?
Nope.
Well, that's okay. I was breastfeed. No, sorry. Probably shouldn't say that.
No, I was best up.
No. I was gonna say something totally inappropriate, but it's okay. I forgot that this is a family channel. So yes, guys, we're still here. That was our nurse Kaylee. She's been awesome so far. She's been keeping us informed every step of the way. She's making our experience here very comfortable. If we have any questions, we can ask her. She answers very truthfully, straightforward, and she's just keeping us in the loop, so we know exactly what is happening. And I really like that. Yeah, Nats is over here. Oh my God, babes, yo. Yeah. Yeah, guys. So yeah, guys, all the men watching this channel, I just want to say, I hope that you guys value your wives, value your girlfriend, or if it is that you just get a girl pregnant, yo, value that girl, because like this is not a very good experience in terms of being laid up in an hospital bed on this Sunday afternoon instead of being home eating our rice and peas and Sunday dinner. This is something that is definitely difficult, well, for women. Men usually tend to make it seem like it's difficult for them, but let me just say this, guys, what we go through in terms of staying up a few nights and giving the women a break is nothing, absolutely nothing compared to what they are going through. So yeah, value your wives, value your girlfriend, and definitely don't leave them to be a single mother, because it's enough to have to go through this experience and then still have to go through raising a child by themselves. Okay? Okay, guys, this is what our hospital delivery room looks like. That's over here having our, how much course that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 course lunch. show what's inside of it.
Okay.
What is this?
This is, I think it's beef veggie barley.
Beef veggie?
Barley soup. No, it's not.
How does it taste? I feel like she's in a hotel room. Watch her. Yeah, so this is, I'll do a 360 of the room, guys. This is what our hospital room looks like. Over here you have this monitor thing that Nazi is strapped up on, feeling pain, as you can see. Yeah, baby is right around the corner. Over here is where baby will be placed. And let me just say, guys, this is a very private room. we have our own space. I even got a chair over there that I can sit in when I'm get too tired. And this is a public hospital. This is not a private room. Let me just say that. We have bathroom over here. Yeah, that's me in the mirror. Hi guys. Yeah, toilet, face basin, and a shower for when you want to go and take a shower. We have a shower right here and stuff. You know, nothing too fancy, but better than what we would have in Jamaica by 1,000 miles. So shouldn't be too long from now. Still got a few hours to go. Of course, charts are still printed. And in case you're wondering, we're in Alberta. Is that a dribbler? Yeah. And stuff. Yeah. So thank you guys for being on this journey with us so far. Showing what outside look like. What's that? You don't remember? Yeah, thank you guys for being on this journey so far. If you haven't liked the video already, please go ahead and like the video. Subscribe, it's totally free. And leave a comment. Send us some love, send us some blessing. We'll try to get as much video as we can. There are certain parts that we're not going to be able to video, obvious reasons. But yeah, that's what I said. Yeah, but this is what is happening so far. We've been here, what, for 3 hours now? Yeah, 3 hours now we've been here. Natsy's been induced. She have some vein issues, so they couldn't find a vein for the drip. So that took like, what, an hour and a half? Or 2 hours, but we eventually get that. So give her a thumbs up, my babes. Thumbs up, man.
The other way.
The other way?
I want to see.
You want to see?
Yeah.
Well, I don't want to see.
I want to see.
No, what I will do is, if you want to videotape it, I'll get you to look at from the other side, and I'll tell you why. I don't want you what do you do for a living there, Dad?
I'm actually a banker. I work in a bank. Pretty boring. Not as excited as this.
I typically don't have pups on this side because I've had dads get a little woozy when someone that they love is getting a procedure.
Yeah, that's why I'm pretty much standing in the front right here. I really don't want to see.
Oh my god, oh my god. Shit.
I'll just stand at the side right here. If this is as best as you're gonna get. I'm pretty certain this is a in-demand medication kind of thing.
Little pinch here, Mom. 3, 2, 1, pinch.
Ow.
Little pinch, little pinch, little pinch.
Ow, 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 ow,
Little
ow.
pinch,
Ow.
little pinch. It's just a little pinch.
That's not a little pinch.
It's a little pinch.
Ow.
It's a little pinch.
That's not a little pinch.
Sort of little.
No, he's singing about it.
It's kind of little.
Sort of little.
Kinda, sorta.
Yeah, you know. One thing I do know is it's not my back.
Oh.
I don't know if that
No, it doesn't.
doesn't help.
Doesn't help.
Okay, I thought I'd
We
try.
thought Dr. Drew was mean.
I thought I'd try.
Ah. Ah. Oh.
So it gets painful and then it gets easier, I guess. So this numbs below pretty much, or?
Yeah.
Okay.
If the center of your spinal column is like the center of this room and going up north, this little tube is put in the joint space between this room and the next room.
And the next room.
Are you able to slouch over a little bit, Mom?
No.
Just a little.
You have to.
Just a little.
You have to put your
Kind
hands
of like
on
an
your lap.
angry cat. You curl right around that belly.
Put your hands on
And
your
try
lap,
and-
both hands. There you go.
Yeah, there you go. And just try and lean forward a little
Mm.
more.
That's good.
Good.
That's good
Just
there.
breathe through it. You're doing good.
Ah.
That's good.
Oh, okay.
Good, doing good.
Almost done. Almost done.
You're doing good.
Almost done.
Best day ever, don't forget.
Best day ever.
Best day ever.
No more kids, no more kids, no.
Okay. Whew. Okay. Almost done. I'm just looking at the expression on the doctor's face, and he's saying like, yeah, we're almost done. So, is it getting easier? It's not getting easier?
I just need him to hurry up and finish.
Does it help that he's smiling?
No.
No? Okay.
No, I told you he's the doctor in the lab.
Oh man, he's the I see.
The exact doctor.
He's the one that call out when it gets dirty.
Yeah.
Okay.
He's the one from the movies.
Gotcha. Almost done. For some reason though, he seems to be enjoying this a lot more than I think he should.
Well, I do enjoy my job.
Almost there.
Okay. I feel that one.
Feeling better?
Yeah.
Okay. See? It gets better. It gets bad before it gets better. Okay.
Lots of pushing on your back, isn't there? Like,
Yeah.
What's going on back there, you must be wondering.
Almost done. We still got a few more to go.
Something more to do?
Don't move there, Mama.
Don't move.
Don't move, Mama. How tall are you, Mama?
5 feet.
You're a very tall woman.
Ah! That pressure.
No pressure. You like how I warn you after the pressure?
Yeah, I noticed that.
Yeah, did you like that?
Yeah, like you just get in there. Oh, did you feel that pressure?
Oh, shit.
Okay, almost.
Shit.
So you're next.
So guys, I've just gotten my dinner. We have mashed potato, roast beef, vegetable. Got milk again. I think that is tea.
And some ice cream.
Some ice cream. So yeah, I'm here jamming. We're jamming.
Or should we call in reinforcements?
Oh, me?
Yeah.
I could try.
You don't have to look down there. You can look right at her.
I'm sure I'm not the only dad who has.
You're not. It's all good.
Okay, we'll watch this back next week and we will laugh about it. Yes. Yes.
Oh, someone to grab us a delivery tray and I'll put some gloves on. This book can pick up. So you have one less thing to worry about there. Just breathe through it. You can use this for your legs to rest on in between. And I'm gonna put her back down and then it'll weigh.
Okay.
How much do we think?
7 pounds.
7 pounds.
2 ounces? That's my guess.
Let's see how accurate you are.
Let's see.
I say 7 pound 1 ounce.
Okay.
She's quite contented.
Yes, she is. 7-1. You guessed it.
7-1. There you go. I do that every day, by the way. Can you tell her? I'm pretty accurate, but that one was a straight. That one was a straight guess. Oh man, 7-1. You're a trooper, aren't you?
Do you want to take a picture of her with her weight?
Absolutely. Let's get used to this.
That's right. It's been a little while since you've had a newborn.
It's been a little while.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna get one more warm blanket to cover you both.
Yeah guys, so we're now at the end of our birth and delivery video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video a lot, and let's close out this video by showing you guys our postpartum room. So this is actually a very decent sized room. We came here like what, 3 hours after giving birth, or something like that. So that's Nat's bed right there. As you can see, Nat is full in her face. That's baby's bed, and that's dad's bed. Honestly, that's not Dad's bed. It actually folds out into a decent, comfortable bed. I would have showed you guys, but it's really a hassle to put it back together. So that's what the bed is like. Nat says we have some clips, so we'll definitely show you guys that. This is again our bathroom. We get our own private bathroom. Decent size. Oh, turn on the light. So what it looks like. Get a little toilet. You have your standing shower. You got your mirror right there and stuff. Yeah, in this room you have to go through a series of checks before you can leave. So you have this chart right here. You have your nurse, then you get a lactation consultant. Your blood work is taken, then you register your birth, and then you have consults and stuff like that. So just a little 360. And that is supposed to be a TV, but we're not sure. So now if we press that, no one will know. But this is just a 360 of the room. Get a doors closed. It's very private, and stuff. And also to note, guys, we did a baby bag video the other day, and we said that we had overpacked. Well, it's interesting to note that we have not used anything from that bag as yet, other than personal things like to shower and to brush our teeth and stuff. Yeah, we haven't touched anything, so we definitely didn't need anything. So I'll just finish up this video by asking Nat a few questions about our experience, and then I'll share my experience, and then yeah, we'll just wrap up this video. How are you feeling?
Feeling good.
Feeling good?
Yeah.
Okay, so you have now given birth, I'd say probably, let me check, 10 hours ago, or almost 12 hours ago. Okay, what was your experience like?
It was pretty good. It was like, it was smooth, but it was pretty good.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, would you grade the experience in terms of the service from the staff, the doctors, the nurses? The scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the 12. Best.
Oh, they're real nice. They're like so patient with you. They walk you through every steps. Although I already given birth to a child already, it's like I was just doing it for the first time. They still go through everything. Everybody nice. Everybody nice.
And yes, guys, we did get fed. Well, sorry, Nuts got fed. And me eat some of what she get. Because, of course, I'm not the one who pushed out a baby. Yeah. So, we did get breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And what did you get for dinner last night?
Beef, roast beef with mashed potatoes, vegetable, and soup. 2 kinds of soup and milk, and I don't know. There's a lot. I
think we had a clip of that. We'll just try and slide that in the video right here somewhere. What about breakfast? What did you get for breakfast today?
So this morning, I got boiled egg and toast and coffee and jam and yogurt and milk. The list goes on.
Was it the same thing you got for lunch yesterday?
What was lunch yesterday? I'm not really sure.
Okay. What was it for lunch yesterday? I don't even remember either. But anyways, that was Nat's experience.
It's pretty good. It's really nice.
And stuff. And
no more kids though.
No more kids.
I don't want to, no.
Okay guys, I'll wrap up this video by sharing my experience. Huh? Yeah guys, so I had to pause that video just now because they came in to check out baby for safe, baby good and everything. Yeah, so far so good, everything is good with baby. So that's great. We should be going home today, probably in another few hours. Yeah guys, so in closing this video, I just want to talk to all the men again. Guys, please value your wife, value your girlfriend, your baby mother, whatever you call her. Listen, this is not a very easy process, and no woman should have to go through this alone, right? Having go through this birth experience, it really hasn't changed much in my mind, because like I've always been there, I've always been present, I've always appreciated that, and I've always like tried to be the best dad that I can be to my daughter, right? So obviously it hasn't really changed much, but it did, however, open my eyes to the severity of a woman pushing out a child. I'm gonna say something very gruesome right now. Cover your ears if it is that you eat, or if it is that you have some form of sensitivity to graphicness. Seeing that baby head coming out for the first time is a different experience. When I see that for the first time, I'm telling you, you look at life from a whole different perspective. I tell you guys, every time I see the head, I say, yo, Jano, yo, I don't even know if I explain it, guys. So, yeah, I'm telling you, that opened up my eyes to like a whole different kind of way of outlook on things and stuff. So, thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully, you guys enjoy the journey. Thank you guys for the support and the love and the many blessings that you guys been showing us. Subscribe if you're new. Smash a like on this video. I think we deserve at least 100 likes for this video, and definitely leave a comment. Alright guys, see you guys in the next video. Peace out.